Okay, where the printer, this area, the table, printer, and the shelf is, we wanted to make the laundry in this section, and this bulkhead where the picture is, right behind it, there is a drainage pipe in the bulkhead, and then water is also going right above this here on my floor is a powder room. So when I flush the drainage and everything, I can hear in this bulkhead. So the laundry is right here, okay, and the drainage pipe can come out from the bulkhead and connect it to the laundry in this area. So I need a valves, like hot and cold water valves in the wall, and then the laundry drain as well from here. So that's on the laundry. And then kitchen, I'll show you the plumbing pipe. So that's the drain that's going in, okay, and right above the hot and cold water pipe, okay. So here I want a sink and a dishwasher. So in this area where the red file is, that's where the plumbing is, the drainage is going to be, and if you can take it through the wall, this is partition wall, so I don't care if you cut it through the wall and make it through the wall, but then give the drain and water here, that would be perfect. Okay, thank you.